चारसालो कांग्रेसनि MLA Sudhiproy Barmanनि बखाक्ते काइसा प्रेस मिट संखा जाखा बसावि खनारिका ताबुनि हास्ते हापां लुकुरकनि जोंजालो दांगा बखाक्ते लाङै दंगो बरक आबनो नायो त्रिपुरा न कारिबो जतो हाकोतनि मणिपुर ते हरियाणा अबहाय हास्ते रगो तुंफ्लालाय तंलायमानि ताबुनि हापां तंसाक हास्ते न सकसावै सिबिनाय ताबुक बरकनि आबनो टार्गेट त्रिपुरा बिशालगढ़ कराइमुराव हिजाबनि सिकां जे पातिमुं पातिमानि आबो बेलायखनो लासिमा सिनचा पातिमुं हनि साका Sudhiproy Barman te bo shaka Tripura hasteni lukurokno BJP yakungta bardi hini shaka bo.
What the police says in material. I have heard headmasters stating that few outside goons who allegiance to the PHP, they are members of the PHP, they entered the school premises and was harassing few of the girl students. Someone objected and was badly beaten up. What is this activity going on? Who has given the right to take entry, outsiders to take entry in the school premises and harass the girl students? Who has given them the authority? I don't want to react to what the police have said. Because I wonder whether they are having spines or not. The existence of police and law and order does not exist in the state of Tripura. All of them have become, almost all of them have become slaves of the party in power. But the fact of the matter is, these are the people who are trying to divert their attention, who are trying to rig or yield the benefit out of bifurcation of the society in the name of religion, caste, community, and creed. Not only restricted in Tripura, you just see across the country what is going on. This is a strategy. With the election around the corner in 2024, very few months, now they will adapt to all the resorts. They don't have an issue. The common man are completely upset with the price hike of essential commodities. The common man or the unemployed youths, they are very much upset with this government because of the unemployment problem. These are the core issues. Now they want to divert the issue and play the Hindu-Muslim card. That is what they have been doing.